Hey traders, are you using the Supertrend Indicator to catch trends in the stock market? While it's a powerful tool, many traders make costly mistakes that lead to losses. In this video, we'll discuss the biggest mistakes to avoid while using the Supertrend Indicator. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's jump straight into the top mistakes traders make with the Supertrend Indicator. Avoid these and you'll improve your trading results significantly. Relying solely on the Supertrend Indicator. Many traders blindly follow buy-sell signals from the Supertrend without considering other factors. Always confirm signals using other indicators like moving averages, RSI, or volume analysis before taking a trade. Ignoring market trend and structure. The Supertrend works best in trending markets but fails in sideways or choppy markets, leading to false signals. Use higher time frames to check the trend before entering a trade. If the market is consolidating, avoid using the Supertrend for entries. Using default settings for all stocks. The default Supertrend settings, ATR 10, multiplier 3, may not work well for all stocks or asset classes. Adjust the ATR and multiplier settings based on volatility. For highly volatile stocks, increase the ATR period and decrease the multiplier slightly. Not considering stop loss and risk management. Some traders enter a trade based on the Supertrend but don't set proper stop losses, leading to huge drawdowns. Place a stop loss below the recent swing low for buy trades or above the recent swing high for sell trades. Always follow risk management principles. Not checking higher time frames. Many traders take trades based on the 5-minute or 15-minute chart, but don't check the larger trend on the daily or hourly chart. Align your trades with the higher time frame trend to increase the probability of success. That's all for today. Hope you the video helpful. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future videos.